Hello students, my name is Vinod Chavan and today we are going to understand the first chapter of history, that is Renaissance in Europe and development of science. From art section, Maharashtra State Board, whenever we are understanding about history, the first question arises us, what is history? History is the study of changing patterns in society. No two periods are alike in history. It is the study of change. By studying history, we try to know how things were in the past and how they have changed over the years. Things that we see today have their roots in the past. Dates in history are linked to events. For some events, for example, battles, specific dates can be assigned. But for some processes, there can be no fixed dates. These processes take place over a long dates can be assigned. But for some processes, there can be no fixed dates. These processes take place over a long period of time and we can only assign centuries to them. The way our ancestors lived was very different from how we live now, and so too characterize the changes. Historians have divided history into three periods. Which one? That is the ancient, medieval, and modern period. These broad divisions mark how the society, economy, culture, and politics of one period differed from that of the another. In this chapter, we are going to understand the Reformation which was brought across from medieval to modern. As the medieval period in Europe was changes, it so advanced in various fields of life. There were changes which was brought across and this was precising in European continents. The advances in various fields of life. There were changes which was brought across and this was precising in European continents. The countries in European continent discover many unknown lands and there were movements to bring about religious movement. The religious reformation, to be precise, they were here to spread Christianity. The foundation of this modern period was laid down from this period. And this period was known as Renaissance. Renaissance means what? See this tree diagram. Means Renaissance means rebirth or knowledge. मतलब प्रबोधन, changes, different types of changes. क्या क्या changes हुआ था? We have to know this. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. In this period, the ancient Greek and Roman traditions of arts, architecture, philosophy, etc. were revival. However, Renaissance is not only the revival of ancient traditions, but the Renaissance also saw overall development in many fields and it proved to be the beginning of new era. What is that the new era? See, the Renaissance means rebirth and Europe was recovering from the dark ages. People had lost the faith in the church and began to put more focus on human beings. The Renaissance began as a revival of interest in the literature and culture of ancient Greek and Rome. Its emphasis was on the richness of earthly life and on human achievements. One result of the Renaissance spirit was a brilliant period of creativity in the arts. Come to that the definition. Renaissance means what? The foundation of the modern period were laid in this period. Hence, This period is called Renaissance, which means rebirth. The activity, spirit, or time of a great revival of art, literature, and learning in European beginning in the 14th century and extending to the 17th century, marking the transition from the medieval to modern world. The forms and treatments in art used during this period. What is the changes in that the Renaissance period? We have to see here. Cultural bridge between Middle Ages and modern history. Began in Italy and spread through the rest of European by the 16th century. Its influence was felt in literature, philosophy, art, music, politics, science, religion, and other aspects of intellectual inquiry. The Renaissance could be viewed as the attempt by intellectuals to study and improve worldly issues through the revival of ideas from antiquity and through new reasoning and thoughts. Come to that the next point, that is the Crusades. Let us begin with the first part of this chapter, that is the Crusades. See in these pictures that the first crusade fought, and this is the picture of that the first war. Crusades means what? Means that the religious war. The war which was based on religion, that is spreading their own religion. European crusades and its far-reaching consequences was started. What they started? See, we have to know that the Jerusalem and Bethlehem, these are the two cities which are considered holy by the Jews, Muslims, and Christians. These cities under the Islamic rule in 11th century, but several wars were fought by the Christians in Europe in 11th century to regain hold on these cities. These wars are known as crusades. Means what? Crusades means इसको रिलीजियस वार बोला जाता है. किसमें हुआ था? 3 that the religion is there. कौन से थे? Jews, Muslims and Christians. Jews and Muslims को लगा कि they need that the Europe, they want to win that the Europe from that the Muslims. So they fought 9 wars against that the Muslims, but they lost it. So why they lost it? In this particular part, we are going to understand 3 sections. That is crusades we are going to understand. कौन से 3 parts है? देखो अभी. पहला part है supporting the crusades. Means that the how people support to crusades. कैसे support किया इनको? ये पहला part से. Second है causes of the failure of crusades. Means why crusade failed here. And third one, consequences of the crusades. Means after that the war, what happened? Means just like we have to know that the effects of crusades, ऐसा बोला जाता है. So see that the first point, supporting the crusades. The common people are supported them. Second one, Pope, the highest authority of the Catholic Church, had announced that those who fought in crusades would be forgiven of their sins and would immediately go to heaven. Third one, The social political circumstances in Europe were also among the causes for the beginning of these war. उसके अलावा Roman emperors were trying to bring the regions of Syria and Asia Minor, that is known as the Turks, under their rule. रोमन को क्या चाहिए था? एशिया एंड दैट द अदर मार्केट्स, इसीलिए दे पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस वॉर. उसके बाद में रिच मर्चेंट्स वांटेड टू एस्टैब्लिश देयर ट्रेड इन द सेंट्रल एशियन मार्केट. रिच मर्चेंट्स कौन थे? दे आर फ्रॉम इटली, वेनिस एंड जिनोवा. दीज आर द टू सिटीज दे वांटेड टू एस्टैब्लिश देयर hold on that the Europe and Africa for trades only. Then rich merchants, crusades were supported by the rulers and rich merchants or traders in their own interest. इनको किसी ने बोला था नहीं, मगर they participate in that the crusades. See that the next point, the first crusades started in that the 1096 CE. मगर क्या हुआ? They lost it. Then we have to know that the second crusades, कौन था second crusades में? Who is there? We have to know that. In second crusades, the France king Louis VII and German king Conrad III supported Pope Eugenius III. Ultimately, the Crusades were defeated by the Turks in 1187 CE. Saladin, the Sultan of Egypt, defeated the Crusades by conquering Jerusalem. This is the first point. See that the causes of the failure of Crusades. Why they fail in that the crusade wars? The failure of the Christian crusades can be attributed to the attitude of the Pope and the European rulers. जैसे कि Pope and European rulers के बीच में attitude था कुछ, इस कारण they lost it. Second one, common people losing faith, rift between the Pope and the European kings, डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन द पोप एंड द जर्मन. अगेन ऐसा हुआ, पोप एंड जर्मन रूलर्स के बीच में डिस्प्यूट था. एंड दैट द लास्ट वन, नॉन कॉपरेशन बाय द एम्पर ऑफ बाइजेंटियम. बाइजेंटियम का रूलर था, उन्होंने सपोर्ट नहीं किया क्रूसेड्स को, इसीलिए वी लॉस्ट, मीन्स दैट दे लॉस्ट दिस वॉर. द थर्ड वन, दैट द consequences of the crusades. Crusades led to the end of feudalism in Europe. Effect क्या था देखो then. The faith in the Pope began to decline. In Central Asia, increased trade. The European warfare went through many changes. What changes? See this. Building forts, ब्रिजेस फॉर मूविंग द आर्मीज, मीन्स आर्मी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, फॉर व्हाट? टू वॉर, मीन्स युद्ध के लिए या ट्रेड के लिए, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए. दे बिल्ड डिफरेंट ब्रिजेस एंड रोड्स ऑल्सो. डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द एनिमीज रूट्स, मैनेजिंग द फोर्ट्स एज अ मिलिट्री आउटपोस्ट. किंग्स levied new taxes. Europeans were introduced new plants, fruits, perfumes, clothings, sugar, silk, cotton textiles, spices, medicinal herbs. Europeans came into contact with the Arabs and got introduced to several new subjects. Adopted many Arabic words used in alchemy, music and commerce. Alchemy means that the philosophy of that the nature. So we completed this the three important things related at the crusades. Thank you.